Let's talk about being competent today. Competence in its word is not being able to acquire certificates and get certificates, lots and lots of degrees, and then put them together, and then when you go for an interview, you present all your certificates, certification to prove that you are qualified for this and qualified for that and qualified for this. No, that's not the sense of what I mean when I'm talking about competence. I'm talking about because the people who come to interview you are interviewing you based on the fact that they know with what you are presenting to them that you are equipped enough with relevant information to carry out their activity. So it borders around what you can do for the company, for the establishment, or for yourself. So it's not about certificate, it's about being able to handle situations. So competence, when we are talking about competence, it's not about getting papers and gathering papers, and when you get to the field or where you are expected to perform, you begin to look for teamwork. No, teamwork is good, but you begin to leverage on the knowledge of others to be able to perform, which is very shameful. So in essence, competence means that you need to be competent by developing yourself. Develop yourself, build yourself up in your field. It's a big concern that all around us today, all around our environment, we have too many incompetent people. Too many. Somebody needs help and you want to offer the help to him, but he's not competent to handle the help. I can tell you the reason why we see that rich people are selfish. Or say, a rich man, he's very selfish. He's actually not selfish. He has discretion. He has what we call discretion. He's decisive. He's articulate. He knows what he wants. He knows what he wants to achieve. And if he sees, he doesn't put his money in a place where it's not going to yield any sense, either for him or for the person he's going to is giving it to. If the money given out is not going to yield value, there's no need to give it out. So you want to get money, you need to present value. You need to show that you have value, have something that worth that resources, so that it will catch fire from there. Who wants to stay with a car that will refuse to start when you put in your key, and then you are trying to start the car, and then the car is making noise for 2 hours and it's not able to start? Who wants to be with such car? Nobody. The cars we have these days is the car that even from your room you press the remote and the car's engine is on. So if you are saying you are needing a help, it's just to give you a little resources and then you pick up from there. That's all. Don't expect to get help today. Tomorrow you are coming back. Next tomorrow you are coming back. The other day you are sending an email of complaint how you did not succeed. Nobody has time for all of that. So competence is very important. It creates your capacity and keeps you set. You are just like an engine. The moment the key gets to the ignition, off you go. That's competence. So you need to build your competence. So which area are you good in? And what can you do? In my little experience, I've discovered that if you want to have good medication, you need to have some sense, some level of knowledge in the area of being a doctor. You want to have good furniture, you need to have some experience of being a furniture to tell them, because people are just everywhere doing shoddy jobs and they want to get a great reward for doing shoddy jobs for you. Competence is a big deal. So you need to get out of the crowd by making your skill outstanding. We have so many people out there doing one thing or the other, but for you to sell, for you to come out, for you to be outstanding, you need to be competent. There is no trade or skill that is not good, that is not glorious. The difference is competence. So develop yourself, develop your skill, take extra hours and build yourself up. Eventually it will make you smile. I remember where the Bible says, he that laboureth for himself, for his mouth craveth it of him. So you are not working for somebody else. You are not laboring. You are developing your competence. You are working and developing your competence with your consciousness that you are building yourself. It's you that will benefit. So develop yourself and stop waiting. Competence. That's what you need. That's what you need.